Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy back again, Capital DC, aka lorddc, and I'm back again reading from the wonderful book of The 7-Figure Side Hustle by Raymond Hardy. But before I get into that, man, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment. You know, if you're watching this right now, I just want to tell you, I want to enhance your life. Let me enhance your life. That's what the purpose of this whole channel is to get your life enhanced, man, to open your consciousness. You know what I'm saying? So you can see things a little differently, get you motivated. You know what I'm saying? Get you some inspiring words to move through every day, you know? I can enhance your ways in multiple areas through the mind, body, or soul. Pick one. You know, this is what we're here for. Also, I'm part owner of a juice bar called Wejuice that's located in Hazel Park, East 9 Mile Road, Hazel Park, Michigan. And that's Wejuice right here, man. So check us out. And our motto is, let us enhance your life. See, what separates us is we don't use no powdered sugars or added flavors, no seasonings. We don't even carry any ice. The ice will water everything down. So what we do is we chill half and we freeze half, so that way it's still ice cold. So that means you guys get 100% of the product. We also have life enhancers you can add to the smoothies or raw juices. Things like apple cider vinegar, sea moss, oregano oil, turmeric, ginger, CBD oil, goju berries, wheatgrass, you name it, man. So that's why I want to enhance your life. I can enhance your life on the inside of your body, and I can also enhance your life on the outside of the body through all the knowledge, through the wealth, through the universe, man. So like I said, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave me a comment, let me know what you guys are thinking, and we're gonna get right into it. 7-Figure Side Hustle by Raymond Hardy. We're gonna read chapter 13. This is gonna be a good one. This is gonna be a good one. You know why? Because you need to make your health a priority and not a minority. I wish above all things that you may prosper, be good in health, even as your soul prospers. And that's from the good book, the 3rd John verses 1-2. You can have all the money in the world, but if you don't have health, you don't have nothing. Long life is in her right hand, and in her left hand are riches and honor. That's Proverbs 3:16. And that's, like I said, I told this before, that's another reason why I love this book, man, because it's a lot of spiritual stuff in here. He takes a lot of scriptures from the Bible and incorporate it to today and to motivation. You know, anything is in that good book, man. Pick up that good book, pick up that Bible, keep that word digest in you. You defeat anything with that word, I'm telling you. So here we go. Proper nutrition, exercise is essential, not only to good health, but to the image and energy that you may exude when you present your product and services to others. I remember going to meet an owner of a large internet social media company, and while he was having his assistant go over the details of networking with our company with an elaborate PowerPoint presentation on his tablet in the hotel lobby of the Hilton, he just dropped down and started doing push-ups. That definitely caught my eye. Many people will go and acquire a high dollar of material items like houses, boats, automobiles. They will landscape, maintain, wash and wax it to meticulous standards, fill it with the choicest of premium fuels and oils, then go in great detail to make sure these items are insured, secure, and garaged to protect their investments, but will neglect, misuse, abuse, and under-insure the greatest asset, which is their body. I'm sorry, I had to pause and let that sink in, man, for you. go through all this. Insurance, washing your car, making sure everything is spick and span, all your materials, cars, like you said, cars, automobiles, boats, houses, spick and span. But keep the same energy for your body. Your body is way more important than any material stuff that you got. Because guess what? If your body not in order, then you won't be able to enjoy all the materials and stuff that you got. Here's a quote from Big Ray. He says, if you feel Rolls-Royce dreams with dime store gas, you eventually end up on the side of the road waiting for a tow truck. Once again, that's from Big Ray. That's the author. 7-figure side hustle. We're going into it. The same thing holds true for your body. Use wisdom. Proper maintenance is essential. If you're going out and achieve greatness, you will have to be in a shape not only to go out, but to get it, but also to bring it back home and maintain it. Learn about the body. Plus, what makes it click and tick. Everybody's body is different. Take time to learn your body. Once you become a master of your body, you can also become a master of your faith and soul. Your mind, body, and soul need to be able to operate in conjunction with one another, in addition to your body being able to perform the task that your mind and soul instructs it to do. To maximize your endurance efforts, many publications recommend that you get 5 to 6 days a week of cardio exercise and at least 3 to 4 days of weightlifting. One program recommended walking, jogging 1 to 3 miles daily, morning and evening. If you're working out in the gym 3 to 4 times weekly, make sure that your core muscle groups are getting worked out daily. Chest, arms, legs, back, core, and your core. Include this in your program. 100 push-ups, 100 sit-ups, 100 deep knee bends daily. The addition of jump roping, do 10 sets of 100 daily. Make sure that you stretch properly and hydrate yourself before and after exercising. One disclaimer. Check with your doctor before you begin any exercise regimen program or supplemental products. Furthermore, any supplements, exercise regimens, products, or services listed in this publication are for example purposes only, not endorsed by the author or publisher, and to be used at your own discretion. So that's what we go back and say, learn your body. See how your body moves. See how your body functions. Don't overdo it, but get to the point where you can do it. But it's most important about just taking that first step, going forward. Put your front foot take your right foot in the front, left foot front. Keep walking. Start running. You'll get there. Baby steps. It's compound effect. The smallest gestures, the smallest actions will compound to something big if you just do it and stay consistent. You may think it's a small thing, but in reality, it's a big thing. That was chapter 13. Make your health a priority and not a minority. For all my people that's watching this, if you're in Michigan right now, you're in the Detroit area, come to wejuice. I can help you out with the health. We got detox plans. Ginger is good for weight loss. Ginger is good for clearing mucus. Celery. I get customers all the time that come in here and all they want to get is just straight celery juice. Make sure you're drinking celery juice. It's good for the skin, good for metabolism, good for energy, good for your brain. I got frozen blueberries. Drink you a blueberry smoothie a day and see how sharp your brain becomes. I got this juice that's called the Belly Blast. That's celery, kale, ginger, apple cider vinegar, cayenne, and green tea. All those ingredients are to kill your body fat. So you name it, we got it. I got the link in the bio. I'm gonna have the link in the comment section in the bio, so you can click the website and check out all our products. We sell sushi. I got salmon rolls. Salmon is one of the most healthiest foods that you can eat. You need to be eating more salmon. I got a salmon roll. I can make a salmon sandwich. I could throw salmon. I got a barbecue salmon sandwich. Also got vegan chicken. Or for all the other people, I got all my other people out there, vegetarians, vegans, I could just make a veggie sandwich. I could do a veggie roll. I got bowls, black bean bowls, quinoa bowls, lentil bowls, ramen bowls. I even got a fruit bowl. And if you really want to, watch what you eat, we got trail mix, something that you eat on a run, because we want to start getting to fasting too. Fasting is something that's really good for you as well. Detox. Fast at least once a month. Just take 24 hours where you don't eat nothing. Do a liquid fast where you just drink. That'll sharpen your mind. That'll get you to learn your body. Because if you constantly eating every day, eating, you're not getting your time for your body to digest. And hence you can't learn about your body. So take a step back. Stop putting everything on in your body for like a day. At least one day out the month to start. You should detox. You should just drink water all day. And see how much energy you get in the long run. See how much better you become. See how much weight you'll lose. See this right here? This is strawberry and banana. And like I said, this is organic strawberries, organic bananas. No powdered sugars, no added flavors, no seasonings. It's not even no ice. It's our #1 seller right here. People go crazy over it. So once again, thank you for tuning in. If you want to purchase the 7-figure side hustle, I sell them right here at the shop. I sell them right here at wejuice. I also got the link in the bio. Click it, order it. Let us enhance your life. Reading is fundamental. You know why? It funds the mental. Peace and love.